Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 34. This is Section 2.1, Problem 34. It says convert the improper fraction 25 over 4 into a mixed number, or in other words, a number with a fraction. So, to do a problem like that, what you have to do is divide the denominator, which is 4 for this problem, into the numerator, which is 25. So I can start by trying to divide 4 into 2. The 2 is not large enough to fit even a single 4, so I will divide the 4 into 25. And as close as I can fit it, it will be 6. 6 times 4 is 24, and I will subtract 25 minus 24 is 1. That's the remainder. Now the remainder becomes my new numerator, so the 1 becomes the numerator, and the denominator, which is 4, just stays the denominator in the mixed number form. So I have 6 1/4, or 6 1/4. So 6 1/4 is equivalent to 25 fourths.